One of the candidates vying for the leadership of the Accompong Maroons in St. Elizabeth is threatening legal action against the sitting chief, Richard Curry, ahead of the impending Maroon elections. The date has not been announced, but as you'll hear in this report, his concerns surround the enumeration process, which he says is currently underway.
All of us as prospective candidates are united and will not allow one man to thwart the process.
Former Maroon Colonel Meredy Rowe issuing a staunch objection to what he deems as irregularities in the enumeration process being led by Chief Richard Curry. Mr. Rowe, who's among 4 prospective candidates in the impending Maroon elections, is concerned about the likely implications of being excluded from the planning process.
We have not been informed, so we are very concerned about that because it is a custom, it is a tradition, is a norm for incumbent colonel to meet with all of us and we jointly decide on how it is done. Because he do it by himself, his own persons, then it is more than likely that names will be on the list that are not qualified, not identified as Maroon, hence they wouldn't qualify to vote.
The cries from the candidates have grown louder over the last 2 months, questioning when an election date would be announced after Curry's 5-year tenure as chief ended on February 18. Some have even accused Curry of deliberately stalling the process. But the Maroon chief hit back at the claims on social media, saying Accompong was still recovering from the destruction caused by Hurricane Melissa and appealed for patience. But it appears the challengers are running out of patience, so much that they're threatening to bring the matter before the courts if it is not resolved.
We're going to take all legal and legitimate means to prevent him from thwart the process and to destroy our democratic and traditional values. It cannot continue like that.